Urban area triple champions Excelsior High School were the toast of the recent ISSA First Global Cricket Awards held in Kingston after a 4-year hiatus. Excelsior captured the Grace Shield and the Urban Area T20 title before dismissing the challenge of Manchester High in the Spalding Cup final. Additionally, David Dewar with 698 runs was the leading scorer in the Urban Area competition. Tamari Redwood, who is representing Jamaica's under-19 team in the CWI Regional Championship, captured the most wickets with 46. Head coach Kirkland Bailey says the dedication of his players should be commended and expects to have another strong showing next year.
Top effort by my boys who stuck to the task from about December onwards and really pulled it off and brought 3 tremendous trophies to our cabinet that the school is very, very happy with. Well, we know that we should be thereabouts trying to dominate urban cricket again. We will lose 3 players, but we should have adequate replacements coming through. And the batting per se only will lose 1 dominant player, which is Michael Clark. So we'll still be steady where that is concerned.
Manchester High swept the major team honours in the rural area by winning the Headley Cup and the T20 crown over Mayday and the St. Elizabeth Technical, respectively. The Mayday High pair of Javed Williams with 845 runs and Christopher Lewis with 35 wickets led the respective departments. Manchester High also finished 3rd in the TVJ All-Ireland T20 competition, and manager and assistant coach Patrick Reid says the school's success is more than just trophies.
So it's not all about winning, it's more about developing players who can probably one day go on to play for the national team as well as the West Indies team. So we believe in building players, not only in winning titles.
Campion College, who had a female in their ranks, cantered to the Urban Area Under-16 title by defeating St. George's College, while St. Jago won the Under-14 crown.
Well, we have been preparing from last year, so we have been coming into our own from winning the Under-14 last year to elevate into Under-16 this year. So I think the boys have done pretty well in terms of the hard work that they have put in, and to see them excel and come so far, so good luck.
I'm feeling very good. It has been a journey. I mean, we have been to so many finals, and to win one, it's a great feeling, trust me.